Here I have VIVO S1 Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's open settings, then go to the lock screen and wallpaper section. Then go to the wallpaper. Here you can see some of the preset wallpapers. You can select one of those, but you can also set your own image as a wallpaper by tapping here. Here you can select image from your gallery. Let's select this one, and then you have to adjust it, and then you have to select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both. Oh no, so here you can set, and then you tap here, and as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.